I don't know why that's not, oh, kind of focused. So we just woke up and we are getting set up, packed up, and it rained a bunch last night, but of course, in our big Agnes, we stayed perfectly dry again, unlike another tent. And we got a little friend over here. Check this guy out. Yeah, so one time when we were in Vermont, we woke up one morning and Gina goes to put her sandals on and there were slugs all over her sandals. I don't know why they picked hers and not mine, but they did. So that was fun in the dark. She smushed into a bunch of slugs. So, yeah. And we're about to eat some food and get moving. Catch up with Joel in a little bit. We're feeling good after our first 20. And I want to do another 20. But I think we're going to keep it to 18 or so. So, yeah, man. Does he have a shell?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he does. He's not messing around.
Nope.
Look at little feelers.
He's not messing around. And I can't wait. I can't wait for you to accidentally stick your thumb in his slug trail.
Alright, let's get this stuff done before it starts raining again.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, little guy. Let's do work here. I don't want to hurt him.
I don't think you. Where are you gonna put him?
I'm gonna put him on that log. He could breathe it over there.
Oh, look at the trail of slime.
Alright, he's happy.
Amen to a job well done.
Yeah, yeah.
Be still, my beating heart. There is trail magic. And coffee. Alright, we're here at Trail Magic, and this is
Silver Lining.
Silver Lining
and hiked 2017.
And his girlfriend Emily. And they were so nice to come set up in the rain today on the least likely of days for Trail Magic, and they just made us eggs and sausage, and we're packing out PBR. And it's a great day. And we're about to climb Roan Mountain and all of that.
Alright. So we are climbing Roan Mountain. It's really not too bad, but it is, well, it's not pouring, but it's wet. We just got an awesome Trail Magic at the bottom. Guy named Silver Lining and his girlfriend Emily. He thru hiked in 2017, and he just made us scrambled eggs and sausage and a cup of coffee, which was just what the doctor ordered. And now up. So we're not gonna have anything really for views because it's very foggy, but we're feeling good. Climbing Roan really isn't, well, it hasn't been that bad. A lot of switchbacks, but it'll still get your heart going. Yeah, it's pretty foggy. We're going up a big incline. We just passed, I don't know, something bald. We just passed Jane Bald, and now we're on to the next one. So we ate lunch in this cave right off the trail. Kind of cave because it's pouring rain. So we huddled in there. Oh, and then we have to put our clothes back on and go. It's sleeting and icing and all kinds of stuff. So we just got packed up. Rained last night, windy. We stayed dry and warm. So we have like 7 or 7.5 miles to get to, I think it's 19E, and we're going into Roan. We have a room tonight at the Roan Mountain B&B. Catch up with you in a bit. I'm assuming that's Little Hump. That doesn't look very little.
The trail goes down there. My camera out at all yesterday, but about halfway through the day, as we were climbing through, I think it was G-Bald, and I forget the name of the other one, but the weather just turned, and we were like at 5,800 feet. And at first I was like, alright, whatever, it's rain, and then it just, oh man, it unleashed sleeting, all that stuff. And those days definitely make you feel worn out, and then you wake up to this and it's like, it's so unbelievable that we're even out here, that it just like moved me to tears on the way up here, with especially only being the two of us out here too right now. So we have like 5.5 miles or so until town. We're getting picked up there, and we should be in our room. They gave us early check-in, which is nice. What are we doing right now? We are leaving North Carolina.
Come here.
Sayonara, baby. Alright, the road is just ahead, and that was about 7 miles. I want pancakes and coffee so badly. My goal is to edit a couple of videos today. I started last night in the tent before I went to bed, so that we can start uploading a little more often, I hope. It's just been a little hard to get ahead of it, but anyway, there is our ride. I think, maybe not. I don't know. We're going to pick up a package that Jay's mom sent us from one of the hostels in town, and then off to, I don't know, I think it's the Roan Mountain B&B we're staying at. So it is beautiful today. Such a change from yesterday.
So we were at the Roan Mountain B&B, and there's a turkey in the backyard running around. So this place, Gina's making coffee, I think. It's a little living room deal. Doing some laundry. We got our resupply done. Ate like pigs.
Will you have some?
And
Speak for yourself, eating like a pig.
yeah, I had a cheeseburger and 4 hot dogs and fries and a bunch of cheer wine. So here's the Roan Mountain B&B. I got the hiker yearbook and stuff out on the table. Really cool place. So we're doing an overnight here, back on trail tomorrow.
So this was our B&B, and we're just cleaning up right now, getting ready to leave. Super, super cozy and relaxing. And I think we're getting a late start today. I don't know how far we're gonna go, but that's about it. Alright, a couple miles in, and we are on our way to mile 400 and Jones Meadow and Jones Falls. I think it's Jones Falls, not Jones Meadow, I'm sorry. But we are kind of in a meadow and it's really pretty. This morning we had an awesome breakfast that the owner of the B&B made for us, and pancakes and eggs and bacon. And Tom and Linda, I swear, we're like spoiled out here. I told Tom and Linda, because I've been updating them, that my shoes, one of my shoes blew out in the weather 2 days ago. And he reached out to me last night and was like, are you sure you're gonna be okay walking in those shoes? And why don't you order a pair to be picked up at REI and I'll get them for you and bring them to you in Roan. I told him that that was 100% unnecessary, but he and Linda insisted. So we saw them this morning, and it was, I don't know, would you say that that was such a good morale boost seeing them?
Yeah, it was awesome to see them. And the fact that they left their house in Asheville, drove to the other side of Asheville to REI to get those shoes, and then drove them like an hour and a half to get to us.
It's silly.
On a Sunday morning.
Silly.
Yeah, it's just silly.
I really hope, and they watch all of our vlogs, I really hope that we have the chance to have them at our home so we can spoil them rotten like they've done for us. Yay. Congratulations!